to number 18, and we're asked to expand this, and we can use Pascal's triangle to do that. So if you forgot what Pascal's triangle is, and you want to do this the long way, then this is what it would be. So you'd write this out 5 times. I'd FOIL this part. Same thing here, I'd FOIL, so I could just rewrite it, then I'd have this. I would combine these two by distributing, and then I would distribute over here. But here's what Pascal's triangle says. First, we need to recognize this is the fifth. So we start with row 0, that's a 1, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we don't actually start counting here until we get to row 2. So 1 in front, 1 in back, 1 plus 1 is 2. 3, 1 in front, 1 in back, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. 4, 1 in front, 1 in back, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 and 3 is 6, 3 and 1 is 4. Fifth, 1 in front, 1 in back, 1 plus 4 is 5, 10, 10, 5. These are going to be my coefficients. Okay, now I also need to come up here, and I have a front term, and I have a back term. Front term and a back term, and we can see those. So down here, this is my front term, and this is my back term. Alright, so I'm going to start with my front term, and I'm going to go 5 all the way down to 0. The front term always starts with the exponent you were provided. So I'm going to write this down. We have 3x to the 5th, 3x to the 4th, 3x to the 3rd, to the, oops, sorry, 3x to the 2nd, 3x to the 1st, and 3x to the 0. Then I'm going to take the second term, and I'm going to reverse the order. So to the 0, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And now I'm going to use these coefficients. So if I can grab a different color here, I have a coefficient of 1, a coefficient of 5, a coefficient of 10. Oh, there should be a coefficient. Let's see here. This is the first group. This is the second group. There's my 10. Right here should be a plus 10. This should be a plus 5. And this should be a plus 1. And most often, if they want you to use Pascal's triangle, what they're going to do is they're going to say, like, what's the fourth term? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd only worry about this 10. Then I have 3x squared and negative 1y to the 3rd. So I'd write down 10, 3x times 3x, negative 1y times negative 1y times negative 1y. 3 times 3 is 9, so I have 90x squared. A negative times a negative times a negative is a negative, and I have y to the 3rd. So negative 90x squared y to the 3rd. Now I know that's not what this question said. This question wanted us to expand the entire way, right? I don't see a task asking you, for time purposes, to go all the way to the 5th. Let me ask you to the 3rd. Or the 4th, but more than likely what they're going to do is they're going to say, what's the second term, or what's the 5th term? And this is a quicker way to find a specific